We have the given specifications for the calculation of accrued interest rate for a bond. The data has issue date, first interest date, settlement date, coupon rate, par value, frequency and basis. In order to calculate accrued interest rate, we use the formula equals ACCRINT brackets open and then select the issue date. Then click on first interest rate. Then click on settlement date. Then click on coupon rate. Then click on par value. Then click on frequency. And lastly basis and press enter. This gives us the accrued interest rate. Similarly, to calculate the accrued interest rate except the issue date 10th of January, 2020. We do equals ACCRINT brackets open date brackets open year 2020, month January, date 10th brackets closed. Click on first interest rate. Then click on settlement date, coupon rate, par value, frequency and lastly basis and press enter.